Greetings everyone and welcome to this video on reporting your results for multiple logistic regression. A multiple logistic regression model was used to analyze the relationship between age, gender and passenger class and the survival of passengers on the Titanic. It was found that holding all other predictor variables constant, the odds of survival decreased by 3.8% with an odds ratio of 0.962 as we can see right here for a 1 year increase in age. Further, holding all other predictor variables constant, the odds of survival decreased by 72.5% with an odds ratio of 0.275 for passengers in second class and decreased by 92% with an odds ratio of 0.08 for passengers in third class. Lastly, holding all other predictor variables constant, the odds of survival decreased by 92.8% with an odds ratio of 0.072 for male passengers as we can see right here. Furthermore, since the area under the curve is quite close to 1, here in this case which is 0.853, the model is a good fit as you can see in this ROC curve. That's it for the series. Thanks for watching.